Hi everyone, I am Megha and welcome to my channel Perkymegs. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for new video notifications. Also, it's Bumper January 2018 where we are having videos every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Hi everyone, here's another highly requested beginner's tutorial on how to apply false lashes. So all you need is an eyelash holder like this pack one, or you can also use your regular tweezers which are easily available at home. Next you need some eyelashes, like I have these from Amazon. If you are starting out and you need something really natural, then pack 518E is the best option for that. But if you need something which is beautiful, fluttery and at the same time looks natural, then pack M72 mink lashes are best. These are my favorite. And next, if you need something super dramatic for something like a photo shoot or YouTube tutorials, you know what I mean, then Huda Beauty lashes are best. Super dramatic. Next you need is a lash glue. Duo is best, easily available everywhere. Next option is a Huda Beauty lash glue, but be little careful, it's really strong, so for beginners Duo is advisable. Now in the step 1, apply mascara to your lashes so that it blends really well with your falsies. Now hold the eyelashes with your tweezer and cut out from outside if they are longer than your natural lashes, which they generally are. Do not cut it from inside, cut it from outside. Next, apply a lash glue. Be careful, don't apply too much, otherwise it will be little messy and you won't be able to handle it. So just apply a little and apply a little more around the corners than on the other place so that they stick well to your lashes. Wait for 15 seconds and then join the center of the eyelashes to the center of your natural lashes like this. Close your eyes. I find this method best for me. You can look very easily from the other eye, and make sure that the lashes, the outer one, are not going outside of your eyes. Then just stick it with tweezer to your skin like this for 3 seconds. That will stick perfectly, and do the same for the inner corner as well. If you think you can poke your eyes with tweezer, then use your fingers. The idea is to stick it as close to the lash line as possible. Then push it with the tweezer like this all over the lash line so that it really sticks well and gets secured in place. So now you can see that these are very close to the natural lash line and you can't really figure out if these are, false lash line. So just try with your eyes open, with your eyes closed, whatever serves best for you. Closing eyes serves best for me. So just don't be afraid to put on false lashes, girls. Just apply it. You will struggle for about 2 to 3 times, but don't worry, after that you'll be perfect. So this was all about how to apply false lashes. I hope you all liked it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. And if you want to see this video in Hindi, then please subscribe to my Hindi channel called Perkymegs Hindi. The link to that will be given in the description box below. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.